Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wheel of Pritam के संग. You can see there is a shop of RCM and we will explore the product of RCM. So guys, this is the shop of Kombe sir. He is the owner of shop and we will see product of RCM. Firstly, we will take the chili, dry garlic chutney. It's a super taste with the chapati. There is belt, socks, and mung dal. It's fry in rice bran oil. It's a pouch. I think it's 20 gram at just 10 rupees. And incense stick. Its flavor is woods. And here is garden gold. It's organic manure. It's nourished the flowers, all kinds of flower. Soil, health special. It's improve the soil quality and then properly nourishment of trees. There are it's called banyan and there are undergarment and cloth, sari and ladies undergarment. All are here and it's a beach powder, washing powder at just 72 rupees per kg. And there are also small quantity Revito. It's mostly used in washing machine to remove the stuff strain. It's a liquid for dishwash. It's liquid for dishwash and it's at just 100 rupees only. MRP is 125 and you will get at just 100 rupees. It's a dish bar at just 9 rupees. At 120 gram you can save easily 1 rupees per dish wash and you will get 20 gram extra. There is also big dishwash, a scrubber, vessel scrubber. You can choose from the prestige companies and it's collaborate with the RCM. There is also towels at a reasonable price. There is bags, school bags, and you can easily load in 20 kgs. There are Hari Sanjivani. There are Hari Sanjivani and it has pack of 4 means per acre package of Hari Sanjivani at just reasonable price. It's a Kavingo toothpaste at just 52 rupees per 100 grams. It's a face wash. It has fries. It's a facial kit at affordable price. It has price 249. You can see 249 and you can use it 3 times. You can use it 3 times. There are chappal, RCM chappal. It's a RCM chappal. It's a very durable. If you put on your feet one time, you will assure for 1 year. Is a veggie cutter. It's a veggie cutter. It's a tiffin.
चव मटणाची आहे त्याला चव मटणाची आहे पण पूर्ण शाकाहारी आहे सॅन्डल
There is a shoes, nice leather shoes.
सॅन्डल आहे
Sandals. It's a nice leather sandal.
मागच्या वेळेला आपण ते
बिर्याणी ते आता पुलाव सध्या यानं बंद झालं थोडं स्टॉक
घेणं बंद झालं का
त्याच्यात त्याच ते गुडडॉटचंच हे प्रॉडक्ट आहे
होतं का
हो.
पण मटण सगळं लागते का
तो मटणाची
Yeah, pick the liquid blue
मटण नाही
to
धान्य
white cloth.
बटर पाहिजे
It is ina. It's a name, and especially in 1 grade sabon, means grade 1 sabon. RCM provide us grade 1 sabon. Yeah, there are. It's like Dettol soap. 99% remove your germs from your body.
किंमत तर नाही राहत किंमत MRP तर असतेच ना आपल्या एक पर ग्रॅम
It is sandalwood soap,
पॉइंट आहे इथं
and you can see there is a underwear for men.
कार्ड बनवून घ्या ना बढिया DP सुरू होते माझे
It's like a dove
नेटवर्क कसं तुम्हाला माहिती
at just 36 rupees. MRP is, I think it has 50 rupees, but you will get 36 rupees. You can save easily 14 rupees. And there is pure coconut oil. You can use in your sabji or curry. You can fry your daily fruits. Means you can fry in this oil. Means it's edible. You can see edible.
सामान तिथं घेऊन घे.
Body lotion. It's a very affordable price. At just you will get
कुठेही जा
100 rupees.
त्याच्यामुळे आरसीएम जोडच नाही नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग आणि
This is a cream.
एवढं स्वस्त
As compare, you can compare with Fair and Lovely at just 63 rupees.
थोडी पनीर पनीर कसं असते
Is a multiple ointment.
त्याच्यासाठी वडी येते त्याची पोळी करायची त्याला
It's a multiple ointment Pengo. You can easily see backage, strain.
आपण ठेवलं असतं काय आपण कांदा लसूण
The
वगैरे ना.
3-in-1.
वेजात नाही का काढायला
There is a incense stick,
पेस्ट करा, घरी मसाला घरी करतो ना आपण
मसाला घरी करतो.
coriander powder,
हे फक्त
a mango pickle, a sweet lime pickle, and red chili without seeds.
हट्ट्या पाहिजे की त्याच्या हट्ट्याने
Red chili without seeds. Is turmeric powder. Is a grade 1 quality, imported quality. RCM always maintain imported quality so that
ते वरतो फक्त
you can enjoy the quality.
हे हे हे
होय
There are the coconut.
फक्त 20 रुपयाला MRP
There is a coconut
एका बनवून
biscuits or cookies. You can call it cookies
प्रोटीन मिळून जाते
at just 25 rupees.
कसं आहे
If you one bite,
माझं हे नाही
one bite,
तुम्ही काळ डॉक्युमेंट द्या आणि तेव्हा आयडी
If you one bite, then you will pleasure of coconut flavor. It's a son papdi. It's made from rice bran oil, and there is also in pocket of bread pure ghee. There are also snacks, chuda. It's made from edible rice bran oil. You can also choose this gulab jamun, dhokla, papad. Actually, some item I used daily routine like a chana papad. Chana papad is flavor of authentic flavor of chana papad, and it's just you can feel chilly, hot in your mouth. It's a Maggi made from the without maida, without any. There is Choco Flex at affordable price. It's a very strong tea, Elite Premium Tea, Geo, and there are creamy biscuit. There are biscuit. It's a toilet cleaner at just affordable price. Means minimum 40 to 50 rupees. Hey guys, refresh your mind and see. It's a Sanjeevani Chyawanprash. It's made from authentic Ayurvedic. It's a Ayurvedic, authentic Ayurvedic ancient formula. It will help you away from any disease, and you will get improve than from when you eat Sanjeevani Chyawanprash. Then you will feel the immunity is better than earlier. And there is a Kesar Thandai. It's a Kesar Thandai. It's a very milky flavor, and it's refresh your mind and calm down your body temperature. It's very useful in summertime. There is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice. You know, aloe vera is a feature of aloe vera. It's a maintain the temperature, and it's away from any disease. Tulsi, Giloy Tulsi. It's also help from fever, means bone fever. There is a coffee, punch drops, shoe, shiner. It's a NutriCharge. You can see. Just one sip, refresh your mood, and it's instant energy in your body. It's authentic in the pomegranate and pomegranate and red grapes. It's a pomegranate and red grapes. It's refresh your mind, and it's authentic honey. You can claim on this quality if you got any fault in this product, because it's authentic. There is large variety of especially for women. It's toxic in your body easily. It's remove your in your body toxic things, remove from your body. This is just tomato. It's authentic. Who believe in authentic, you know, the rarely cases in all diseases come from our food habit is wrong. So guys, there are also women's package. You can see women's package and soap, cream. It's it's made from drumstick extract. There are lots of sunscreen tube. It's a sunscreen tube. There are nail paint, lipstick, and rose water. And you can see as a affordable price. 102 rupees per kilo the basmati rice. So guys, you can see the Health Guard rice brand oil, transparent free. They are also available brush to brush at just 20 rupees. You can save more money from RCM at just 800 rupees. MRP is 1100 rupees, but you will get at just 800 rupees. And white shirt and pure authentic blend of cotton.
ये मैं एक आरसीएम का एक शॉप चलाता हूँ। इस पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जो आते हैं उनको जगहों पे 5% से लेके 25% तक जगहों पे छूट दी जाती है। और जो कस्टमर रेगुलर अगर 6 महीना सामान लेता है वो खुद के आईडी बनाने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते। लगभग 2000 रुपये का घर का किराना अगर जो भी कोई लेता है उसका एक आईडी बनाया जाता है यहाँ पे। और वो लगातार अगर 6 महीने लेता है तो उसको 7वें महीने में कंपनी के हिसाब से इसका एक तीसरा मार्केट वैल्यू रहता है, इसको जो हम पीवी बोलते हैं, यानी परचेस वैल्यू, उसके 12% उसको 7वें महीने में फ्री प्रोडक्ट भी यहाँ दिया जाता है। और ये माल जो है डायरेक्ट कंपनी से आकर ग्राहक को डायरेक्ट दिया जाता है, इसलिए इसमें बिचौलिया जो है उनका कोई संबंध नहीं रहता। इसमें नहीं होलसेलर है, नहीं डीलर है, नहीं कोई एडवर्टाइज है। इसलिए जो बेनिफिट दिया जाता है वो डायरेक्ट ग्राहकों को इसका फ़ायदा होता है। अगर कोई भी यहाँ से लेना चाहता है तो हम उसको सर्विस भी अच्छी तरह से दे सकते हैं। अगर किसी को चाहिए तो ये हमारे बैसर है, इनसे आप मिल सकते हैं। वो यहाँ डायरेक्ट लाते हैं, नहीं तो हम घर पहुँच भी सेवा दे सकते हैं। इतना अच्छा बिजनेस हर कोई करता है तो उसके पहले सेहत, ये कंपनी जो है उसकी पहले सेहत देखी जाती है। कंपनी का पहला ही बेनिफिट जो है स्वास्थ्य रक्षा, यहाँ पहले स्वास्थ्य रक्षा पे ख्याल दिया जाता है। यहाँ कोई भी भेसड़ वस्तु नहीं आती। और मार्केट में हर कोई जो प्रोडक्ट आता है, हर कोई चौथा प्रोडक्ट डुप्लीकेट आ रहा है, हर अपन रोज न्यूज़ पर सुन रहे हैं। और यहाँ पक्के बिल के साथ हर कोई सामान दिया जाता है, इसलिए यह पक्का बिल वही देता है जिसके माल की गारंटी रहती है, वही आपको पक्का बिल दे सकता है। ऐसे बहुत सारे यहाँ से बेनिफिट आप ले सकते हैं। इसके लिए आप मिस्टर एडवोकेट बैस से संपर्क कर सकते हैं या तो मुझसे भी मिल सकते हैं। थैंक यू। ये शॉप जो है विरोध धामनगांव रोड पे जीता माता कॉलोनी है। इसके संचालक मिस्टर किशोर कोम्बे मैं खुद हूँ और 24 आवर्स यहाँ सेवा दी जाती है। ओके, थैंक यू।
Please big thumb for me and share and like. Thanks for watching. I will continuously